Hey guys, I'm Cam. Welcome back to another video. I'm just on my bike right now, but I'm at the casino. There's some old cars here, like that MG, and there's a whole lot of like really old stuff. I'm thinking they're like 20s and 30s. Then we got that. I'm just riding on my bike, so it's not the best. And my phone's just gone off. Just wait. So guys, as I was saying, there's a whole bunch of old stuff down here, like this old green one, and then a few over there, and this one I saw has an English flag on it just there, and I couldn't see anything else over there. And I hope you guys enjoy this little photo segment.